Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse on your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to unbox an item that I bought from the Signet store here in the Philippines, which is located at the Power Plant Mall in Makati City. This item is a item or product that is made in Japan. And I'm going to bring out the box itself. This is the Flower Mountain brand. And we will find out what is inside this box. So as you can see, this is a shoes. You can see the size is 42, and there is a story behind this item. Actually, when I visited the store, I think 3 months ago, it was their first time to display these items on their store, and I was intrigued to see what kind of shoes are these. And there was a couple, and they were trying to fit some of the models and trying to select what color are they going to get. They are a husband and a wife actually, and I tried to listen to their conversation, and I found out they are trying to select something that they it could be used during their visit to Japan. So I tried to look for these items, and then I started the conversation with them, and I asked them. I introduced myself. You know, I'm a runner. I'm a trail runner, and as a road runner, also a marathon runner. What are you going to use for this kind of rubber shoes or sneakers? And they told me that they're looking for some shoes that they can use when they visit Hokkaido in Japan. And it was a winter time. The snow is coming in Hokkaido, and they were trying to look for a appropriate shoes for them to walk along the snow. And I was intrigued actually because the studs of these shoes are not enough for you to have a stable, walking or hiking on the snow, because this is made of cloth, and for you to have a better traction on the snow, you should be able to use a proper boots for the snow, and it should be a leather. But that is my personal point of view. So anyway, that was the story surrounding or background of this on the shoes. So I was intrigued. After 1 month, I went back to the store and I bought one. Actually, I think this was in the later part of December, before I had a vacation. So I got this item, and we're going to unbox it. So this is the pair of sneakers or rubber shoes that I got from them, and I'm going to bring out these items from the box. I got also a some card, which is maybe an instruction on how to use the flower mounted sneakers or rubber shoes. So I cannot read because the print is very, very small. So we'll go now to the shoes itself. This is size 42, The material is a combination of suede leather and nylon cloth. The way you see it, it is nylon cloth. And I selected the camouflage model because, as you know, I'm a former military officer, army, and I tend to, gravitate on camouflage fabric. So this is it, and you have these shoelaces. You have a very firm heel counter at the back. Of course, a tab wherein you can use to pull the shoes. You have a very nice sole. Maybe it is aggressive on the snow, but I don't believe it. But I know this is a very nice pattern for trail running or trail walking, as per my experience in trail running. And I asked the staff from the store if this will be good for running, and they told me that uh, this is a fashion wear shoes, but I think with much purpose in using this, I'll be using this in my hiking in my backyard, which is 100% trail, so single track trail. So this is nice. The laces is brown, and you have the leather surrounding the two at the back. It's black, and you have a combination of brown and green on the camouflage pattern, and you have a dirty white on the midsole area. But I don't know, this shoes doesn't have any midsole. It's purely rubber. So you have the inside. Well, if you go to their website, the price of this kind of model is almost 10,000 pesos. But in the Signet store, I was surprised that the price is doubled. I don't know, maybe because of the tariff, or maybe because this is a special model or whatsoever. But I was able to buy this kind of shoes, which is the Flower Mountain. So we'll see. We'll try to have a fit video on this, and we'll try to walk in my backyard or in my paved path walk here in my farm. So this is the Flower Mountain sneakers or walking shoes, which is a one of the items at the Signet store, and it is purely made in Japan. So thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.